Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. Today's video we will record in English because a lot of people messaging me and commenting these Mac videos in English. First of all, I'll explain if we do any mistake in our language. I apologize for it because our English is not very strong. Okay, anyway. We are going to start analyzing the market. The first pair we have Euro USD, EUR USD. If you have watched yesterday video, yesterday we talked about buying in Euro USD. If we see the trend is clearly bullish, and these was the levels we are looking for buying. The first buying level was this one and the second was this one. You can see this candle clearly closed above this candle. So we have hit a buy trade there and already we are running with around 1 hour and almost 45 pips profits. If we analyze this in lower time frame, you can see we are clearly in good profit. Maybe the re-entry possible if market return to this level. Okay, don't miss any video because yesterday we analyzed this and already we explained this. We will buy at this level. So we will hold this trade till this level, 3.5 RR. The second pair we have BTC USD. The BTC USD, yesterday we analyzed this level, but market sweep all this liquidity and after that gave some move, but we have not entered in any trade. Still, if we analyze this, we have internal range liquidity at this level and we have this fair value gap. So I think the market will grab this liquidity and we will get the buying confirmation in this zone. Till this area we will look for buying. Because this liquidity is still valid. Market will come to this zone and after that falling possible. You can see in long term we have analyzed this. Okay, if market come down we will look for buying in this level. If market goes up we will look for selling in this level. Next pair we have US oil. In US oil, yesterday I have analyzed this. If market break this level, if market break this level, we will look for short from this area. And if market did not break this level and come down to this level, we will look for buying. You can see. Also, you can go and watch our yesterday video for evidence. We already told you that we will look for buying in this level and we will look for selling in this level. Already the market hit our buying zone and running 1 hour and 110 pips profit. Okay, re-entry possible at this zone if market return to this area and give us any good confirmation for re-entry of buying. Also, we will look very soon for break even this trade. Already these trade are break even with partial lot running. Okay. Next pair is AUD USD. Still valid. Yesterday we analyzed this area and this area. The market already, this area is almost liquidated and the lower area worked very well. After this candle close, we have entered a trade. You guys also can enter now if you watch video right now, or at pullback you can enter also. Till this FVG you can buy. 1:2 RR trade possible. AUD. The next pair we have gold. In gold, this was yesterday trade you posted in our Telegram channel also. You can see there. 6 RR trade this one was actually from this 34 to 95, and the SL was 41. You can see 6 RR trade this one. Anyway, we have currently one trade running. You will see the result. This trade we have taken from this area and already running in profits. You can see the trade posted here. From 35, 3335, we have sell from 35 this level. Our take profit is 15 and SL is 41. This trade already we have given to our KP client. The trade is still running. You can see in profits already 40 pips profit. So we will hold this trade till this level and maybe more falling also possible till this level 7 hour. Okay. The next trade, the next pair we have pound USD, GBP USD. The GBP USD still these both level are valid. We will wait till market touch this level or this level. The next pair is Nasdaq. Nasdaq already running in profits, and this trade has not activated yet. We will look for buying in this zone and this zone. Just waiting for the confirmation in this zone or this zone. Look for the market in these both zones. Wait. Okay, next we have USD JPY, and USD JPY or trade activation has been missed by few pips. I think 2.5 pips. No, yes, 2.5 pips. Missed and running almost 20 pips profit. Anyway, we'll keep patience and wait. If market come back to this level, we will look for rebuying again. This area at this zone is still valid. Next we have pound JPY. In pound JPY, the yesterday trade was at this level and played very well. Just touched our entry area. Actually, our entry area was there. Just touch our entry area and directly hit our take profit with 2.5 RR and 188 pips. Next, I already told you that market will hit this range liquidity. Already taken the liquidity and market coming down. Anyway, look for buying again. This, yeah, we have. Let me check this with the in lower time frame. And lower time frame we have, sorry, inducement level. If we check this area and this is, sorry, these both level are very good for buying. If we get any confirmation in this level, we will buy, or this level we will buy. Okay. Next we have US 30. The US 30 already has touched our area, but still we don't have any Still, we don't have any confirmation. We will look for buying after break this high and pull back. We will buy. If market did not close above previous high, we will not buy. Then we will maybe look for this area. Okay. So these are the analysis for today. And you want to see our yesterday copy trading result. Here is yesterday we took $90 profit with almost 2%. $100 or 2% profit, and we booked already 90.73. So we are nearly 2%. You can see the full detail here. The copy trading details. You can copy our service with any amount above $50 and no limit for maximum. The profit sharing is we are taking only 15% and you will keep 85% profit. The fund will be in your hand. Lot will auto adjust according to your equity. If you have double than our balance, you will get double profit. If you have half of our balance, you will get half profit of according to our. We get $100 profit, and you have half balance of ours. You will get 20 sorry $50 profit. Okay. After that, all, if you want to be part of our VIP group, you can check the description of this video. You will get the 3 broker links or 4 broker links. Create account in any broker and do your verification and make deposit. After that, you can message us on Telegram on this ID WFR Advisor. Our team will reply you and we will add you to our VIP group for free if you have good deposit. If you have small deposit, you will get special discount for joining. Also, you can get our learning videos, our tutorial, our course. These are our benefits for you. Okay. We will wait for this trade. Hope this trade will fall. Yeah, I'm very sure market will fall till this area. Maybe we will book some partial here, some here, and with break even we will hold the trade. Okay. Hope for the good day. Tomorrow we will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.